What up, y'all? DZ here. I figured I'd throw a little video out here to say what's up. Want to apologize to you guys that I haven't had a good video put out in a long time, but I've been in a bad way. Most of y'all know it. But I'm in a rehabilitation facility now since I lost the old lefty. This place right here, if I can zoom in, it's called Encompass Health. It's probably one of the coolest hospitals I've ever been in my life. But doing physical therapy this morning, and thought it was kind of funny. They had me doing vertical pull downs on the machine, and they only had so much weight on these machines. And I told him, I said, man, this ain't gonna help me out. And he's like, what are you talking about? I said, man, that ain't nothing. I said, put it all the way up. And he said, all right, let's do 5 reps of 20. I said, all right, let's do this. So he put every bit of weight on both of those machines, and I'm doing left arm and right arm at the same time. And I'm pulling them weights, and when they're going down, they're hitting the floor a little bit, and they're going boom, boom, boom. Well, this machine is connected to the floor with bolts, and lady come out of the office next door, and she's, oh, I need to come over here and find out what was going on. I thought the whole place was coming down. I said, nah, you just got Superman over here working out. Anyway, I just wanted to give you guys an update, let you guys know I love you, and just remember, I'll be back as soon as possible, as soon as I get back on my one foot with another foot, and I'll be having them good videos coming back to you guys. I love you guys. I appreciate y'all's support. Peace out. DZ loves you.